Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to make your story appear first for your friends and followers by using the Instagram Spotlight feature. So of course this feature is available only for Instagram Plus subscribers, and you have to do it. You have just to go to your story, and as you can see next to the picture of the people who have seen your story on the bottom of the screen, there is spotlight option. Click on it, and as you can see I already spotlighted this story. So the spotlight is an option who until now work only for people who are following you and you are following them. That means they are your friends on Instagram, and with that feature your story will be shown first for them so they can see it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.